the run again. He goes right at Wami. No fear on the part of Roger Ray.
Once again, we're sounding like a broken record in the first.
22 siya. Nag-1 of 7 shooting yan sa first half. Junmar for 3. His second triple of the Commissioner's Cup.
And good adjustment by Coach Leo Austria. He puts him.
Now Tua at the reach for this one. Jericho flashing down the middle with an N1.
That was pure talent. The execution, very rough. Even if they made that basket, Magu, kitang-kita mo.
Jason in a rush. Four-pointer delivered by the Blur.
That's a painful shot if you're San Miguel. Not only was it a four-pointer by Jason Castro, but the other thing is understanding the situation that they're in. They only had one.
The lowest scoring import na naalala natin to ever win a championship dito sa entablado ng PBA as now Tua hits a 3 si Henderson Niles. 2016 import ni Coach Yang sa rin. Kicks it over. Junmar on the run. Pinagpag si Stingray.
Yes. Medyo may gulang ng bahagya. Ito si Junmar Fajardo. Now, so, kailangan talaga pagkuhan nila ng paraan ito. Yun, finally showing a little more energy. Konting emosyon, at least bumalakpak pagkatapos ng nakashoot. Talagang minsan, pag nakikita natin, parang blanco parang hindi alam kung ano nangyayari. So, good contribution that time.
Ronde, 3 to work with. Ronde all the way!
That is just downright poor defense by San Miguel. They opted to switch, and of course, after that switch, it will be impossible for Rosales to guard RJ on a single coverage. Probably.
Ito sina ng Batak and Kelly Williams. Perez to Junmar on the run.
And you know that nag-iiba na ng atake ito si Junmar Fajardo dahil sikip na siya dun sa half-court. Speaking of positive output, si Chris Ross played exceptional minutes dun sa 12 minutes na laro niya. In fact, he was +4. Pero ngayon, kinakailangan tumawag ng timeout.
Speaking of defense, Ronde with a block. Bogoya at the other side, sneaks it in.
This is a timeout that is necessary for San Miguel. They're simply not doing good things. Relatively fresh defender in Andres Cahili.
Kobe, the Obrang fade away. But look at Adam. Out-hustle everybody. That is now a 17-point lead para sa TN. Tanggal ang San Miguel. If Magnolia beats Meralco on Friday, matatanggal ang San Miguel. That is kung hindi sila magkakampak dito sa ball game natin. Kung parehong lumusot yun.
Doon sa kanila, 3 ang karaban. Kaya tuluyan ang lumamang talaga ito. Another shot by RHJ. He is enjoying that mid-range jumper. And they scored a lot of threes as well in this game. 28 points.
I think BB Sunday.
To be honest, 15 puntos. With just over 6 minutes left. Tapos ganyan na naman, Kelly Williams nakatulong 17. Ay naku po, kailangan na nilang tumira sa 4-point line para matapyasan ng bahagya. Only scary about this team. 0-2 at the start. Wow, a 4-pointer for Ronde Hollis Jefferson. That is a 4. And he looked at Chris Ross right after he made that one.
Ngayon po.
Sa kampeonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapos sunalo.